in honor of the 55th anniversary of the Boeing 747. AKA Queen of the Skies, here are some fun facts about the 747. On this day in 1967, Pan Am Boeing started production of the 747, but it didn't start commercial flights until January 1970, the first flight being with Pan Am from New York to London. First ever 747. The 747-8 or -8 can carry approximately 422,000 pounds or 63,030 for USD to 138,600 for liters, making it possible to fly extremely long routes, such as Lax to Melbourne, Australia. There are 14 stairs in the stairwell to the upper deck. Just the upper deck of a 747-8 Intercontinental has the same square area as a 737-700, while retaining the same passenger experience as a Boeing business jet. The total electrical capacity of a 747-8 can power up to 480,000 32-inch flat-screen televisions. The 747-8 is able to travel the length of 3 FIFA football fields in 1 second. The 747-8 is able to travel the length of a standard 40.195 kilometers marathon into 0.5 minutes. The 747-8 tail height is 63 feet 6 in 19.5 meters, equivalent to a 6-story building. The 747-8 is the longest commercial aircraft, 250 feet to in 76.3 meters. Now the 747 was retired in 2019-2020 because of COVID, but there are 2 major airlines that still have it. It's a cargo airline, Atlas and Lufthansa. Smiley face. Thanks for watching.